I'm Dee Dee and welcome to Dee Dee's Expressions. For this week's video, I'm crafting again, and this time I've crafted a wall sconce that you can use for flower decor. I originally saw my inspiration piece when I was out having lunch with a few of my girlfriends. So I went online and I decided to see if I could try to find it. And I did. Luckily, I did find it. I found it at Wayfair and I found it at Lowe's. But the price point for each was about $25. Not that I can't pay $25. There's no point in paying $25 when you can create it for less than $5. And if you add the florals, less than $10. So that is exactly what I did. So I had some of the supplies on hand, but if you don't have the supplies on hand, I went to the Dollar Tree and I did the price point. Clearly it's $1, but of everything that you would need step by step to make these items. So less than $10, two for $25, including floral. You're able to get these beautiful wall sconces. So if you want to see how I did it, stick around and watch this video. If you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and leave me a comment below and let me know what you think of it. All right, let's get started. So first I start with a pack of wooden dowels. If you don't have wooden dowels, you can get them from the Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 12 and you're only going to need 8 for this project. So depending on how many you want to make, you can save on that. I measure my wooden dowel to 7.5 inches and I cut it to that. You're going to need 2 cut at whatever half of measurement you want. So I cut 2 at 7.5 and then I form a triangle. Hot glue at the points where they connect, or you could use a super glue. I went ahead and just used hot glue. Starting on the second triangle, I don't do a full triangle. I just do 2 sides, and then I'm going to connect those 2 sides to the full triangle that I already hot glued, and that will form the basis of my prism. Again, we're going to put some hot glue on the points where they intersect. Right now I'm measuring the base of it, and then I cut my wooden dowel to fit that, and then I hot glue those ends together. And once that's formed, I step back and look at my work, and I'm very happy with it. My gluing was a little bit sloppy, so I went ahead and cut off that excess glue so it would just have a neater appearance. Once you do that, what you need to do is form the top, and you form the top by laying it flat on the longer side and connecting 2 other dowels. Connect those 2 other dowels and glue at the point. I then take the plastic cutting board and I trace it with my prism, with my sconce, and then I go ahead and paint in the inside. I used a combination of white paint and glitter. I did get the glitter at the Dollar Tree. I already have paint, but again, if you don't have paint and glitter, then just go ahead and buy it at the Dollar Tree. I used my blow dryer to speed up the time because I didn't want to do this all day, and it's acrylic paint. It dries really fast, but the blow dryer does help it a lot. Okay, you're gonna paint the sconce. I chose to use some gold paint that I already had on hand, but you can use whatever you want. What I did not show you was that I secured the corners of where it met with some jute twine. And I did that for stability and to make sure that it was going to last, because I'm gonna put this on the wall. I cut out the triangle. Once I get the triangle cut out, I hot glue it into the sconce on 2 sides, and I just use the scraps of the cuts to do the back side, the side that's flush with my wall. I go ahead and fill it with florals. If you don't have florals, Dollar Tree has some great florals, or you can order a bundle like I did from eFavorMart. I've had this bundle for years, and I just keep using it for little things and then sticking it back up when I'm done with it. But I love how it turns out. Let me know what you think.